Photo period. Feminized. Seeds.
Seedling. Stage.
70-30. Coco perlite. With worm castings plus mycorrhiza. 25% LED. Brightness. Seedlings in solo cups. Let's go. Watered with distilled water. 18 hours on, 6 hours off. Light cycle.
Early. Veg.
Transplanted. 2 half-gallon pots. Top stems. After 3 to 5 nodes grown. 4 more bud site and bottom dressed. Low stress. Training stems with bud clips.
Mid. Veg.
50% LED. Brightness. Aiming for even canopy. 78 to 86 temps, 78 to 86 humidity.
Late. Veg.
1 gallon pots. 2 to 3 month. Veg cycle.
Early. Flower.
Watered with recharge. StashBlend kelp. 2 to 3 weeks. Early colas. Plants transplanted to 3 gallon pots and bottom dressed with worm castings. Coco perlite. Gaia 284. Gaia rock dust. 3 plants were transplanted to 3 gallon pots. Beginning of flower and bottom dressed with Gaia 284. Worm castings and 70-30 coco perlite. Also watered with StashBlend, recharge and fish shit. 75% LED. Brightness.
Mid. Flower.
Top dressed and watered with StashBlend, recharge, kelp, fish shit. 12 hours on, 12 hours off. Light cycle. Beginning of flower stage. Also, make sure to defoliate plant leaves for better light penetration and airflow. Looking nice.
Late. Flower.
Wow. 62 to 78% temps, 45 to 68% humidity. Water only 2 weeks before harvest, and no water last week of harvest. Keep humidity low during flowering stage to prevent mold, bud rot, or powdery mildew. Also 150 watt LED lights are at 100% brightness for maximum trichome and resin production on the colas, resulting in better tasting buds with good terps and potency, and turning the buds super frosty. Furthermore, making better quality dry sift, hash or rosin. Turn down LED light brightness to 75 to 50%. Last 1 to 2 weeks before harvest to prevent light burn or bleach and losing terps. Looking at the trichome heads for maturity to know exactly when the buds are ready for harvest with best results. 75 to 80% milky trichomes, 15 to 10% clear trichomes, 5 to 10% amber trichomes. Also look for the color of the pistil hairs, changing color to yellow, red, orange. Nug shots. Also make sure to reuse, recycle, and re-amend soil to grow best quality flower. More nug shots. 8 to 10 weeks flower stage, and some cultivars take 11 to 25 weeks. Also no fungus gnats in the soil. Use nematodes or stickies to combat fungus gnats. Awesome. Also try not to touch the buds for better end results. Super frosty. Hola. Last week, no water, and 48 to 72 hours of darkness, 2 to 3 days before harvest, for smoother smoke and better taste.
Harvest day.
Rub bud stem for smell test. Dry 7 to 14 days, depending on size of plants, the strain and climate. 3x3 grow setup. Drying settings. Plant organic nutrition takes 1 to 3 weeks for microbes to break down in the soil, then the roots of the plants mine the nutrients in the soil.
Results.
Permanent marker, 1 ounce. Trim buds from stem, for crispy nugs. Blackberry, moon rocks 2 ounces. Grow bags. Make sure to burp bags and move bud around to get better cured buds. Future number 1, 1.5 ounces. Pure flower for 2 to 4 weeks.
Dry sifting, 110 to 200. Mesh stream. Results.
Permanent marker, dry sift hash. Charas hash. 200 micron, dry sift hash.
Thanks for watching.